Welcome to a new TIMUCOM tutorial. In this video, we will be looking at the optimized TCE bid from the bidder's perspective. In addition to being able to receive an invitation to bid, you can search proactively for current tenders at any time. Use the button Current Tenders to go to the summary and set any filter criteria that are relevant to you. In this case, we are looking for a tender from within the German postal codes 83 to 10, and with a maximum of 13.6 meters. Click Apply to apply the filter. You can open the tender by clicking on it. Depending on the tendering company's settings, you may have to read and confirm certain documents. These may include a confidentiality agreement or the company's general terms and conditions. Once you have confirmed, you can see all relevant tender information. You now have a variety of options from within the tender. You might wish to ask the tendering company a question or calculate the route using TCE Map, our route planner. And of course, you can enter a price in order to make a bid. If you would prefer not to make a bid straight away, you can save the form and send it later. Click the Close button to return to the summary. Saved tenders can be found under the quick filter labeled In Progress. Click once to open the tender. If you would like to submit a bid, use the Submit Bid button to do so. You can add a comment to your bid if you like. Then click on Submit Binding Bid or Cancel. Once the bid is submitted, you will find the tender under the quick filter labeled Submitted. Simply click on the tender to view your bid. You still have the option to withdraw your bid from within the tender. This is only possible if the tender period has not yet expired. If you have been invited to a new tender, you will receive this information via the bell symbol and email. The tender in question can be found under the quick filter labeled Invitations. If you have been nominated after a tender, you will receive this information via the bell symbol or via email, and you will also see it in the quick filter marked with a small 1. The bid summary shows you what place your bid is currently sitting in. In this case, the bid with 300 euros is listed between rank 1 and 3. Once you have been nominated and are located between rank 1 and 3, you can assume that your business partner will contact you soon.